Hey guys, it's your girl Estä, and I am back with another video. Listen, the hustle don't stop, and we won't stop. We gonna keep on going until we drop. But, bars. But anyways, I am here to give you 5-month update. Yes, sis. I have been locked for 5 months as in Microlocs. Yes. Baby, it's the length for me. It's the length for me. Do you see it out here growing freely? Shrinkage wear. Shrinkage wear. Sis. And bro. I'm not freaking about you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a hair porn for like the 5 months. So let me get a little closer. I think that's where he got it from. But I'm gonna give you a close-up of what my hair looks like. So y'all see that? I know my baby's screwing up, but mind you, this is a braid out, twist out. So if you look at my 3-month lock update, I will try to insert a picture here so that you can see the difference of that twist out, braid out, and this twist out, braid out. There's a difference with the length. Again, if you want, I can go ahead and do a tutorial. Go ahead and thumbs up this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick update of what's going on with my hair. Nothing has changed really. I still wash my hair every 10 days or every week. I'm still braiding and banding faithfully, and I'm not gonna make that mistake again. No. I am doing low manipulation hairstyles. So that is low manipulation hairstyles, meaning this. Take my hair, put it to the side, take a bobby pin and push the hair side and pin it, and that's it. I don't put my hair in any ponytails. I personally feel like my hair doesn't look good in ponytails, so that's why I don't put it in a ponytail. So yeah. I mist my hair every morning and night. I mist my hair every morning and night with my Angel Wings spray. And I still oil my hair every 4 days. Every 4 days? Yeah, every 3 to 4 days, because I just oiled my scalp today before I pulled out the camera. What else? And I am keeping my hand out of my head. So like, you know, yes, it's so attracting and it's like, oh my God, I love it so much, but you know, you gotta make sure your hands are off your head. Listen, sis, I know. You gotta do it though. You gotta do it. You gotta do it though. That's the only way for you to retain length, is to keep your hands off your head. Okay? Are we here? Are we here? Okay, we're here. All right. And I do massage my head. Only massage my head when I apply oils. So like for example, today I had put oil in my hair this morning and I massaged my scalp. And that's like the only time I massage my scalp is when I apply oil. I do not massage my hair when my hair is dry. It's only when I apply oil, okay? So if you haven't done that, how about you try it and let me know how you feel about it? Okay. And I do my reties every 4 to 6 weeks. The last retie I've done was February 15th. So my next retie that's coming up is this month. It should be on the 15th or the 16th. And I feel like I have promised to do a video of me retying my hair. And I think this time I'm going to go ahead and give you that video. I think it's time. I'm sorry. I apologize, but I think it's time. So this is basically a quick, short video just to give you a quick update of the 5 months that I had my hair in these MICROLOCS, and I have enjoyed this journey, okay? I do have other videos that you guys can go ahead and watch. I have 2 Microloc tag videos, part 1 and 2. I also have a detox video that I just did. And also, if you want, you can go ahead and check out my installation video. Me talking about how it took me a month and 2 weeks. I still can't get over the fact that it took me a month and 2 weeks in order for me to get these in my head. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip of, I think it's a 3-minute clip of when I installed my hair. Well, after the installation, I think the second day after installation, and from that, you will see the difference. You will see the difference. Yes, I'm not lying. I was looking like a plucked chicken on crack. Like, what? But other than that, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. And don't forget to like and comment this video. And if you want me to do a tutorial on this braid out, twist out, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. All right, I'll see y'all on the next flip. Bye. Well, today's October 2nd, and it's officially, how can I say, the day that I finally got done. Well, yesterday was my first day. Yesterday was actually day 1, and I don't know, I took the braids out after washing it, and this is what my hair looks like. I know it's very spacey, but it's like, I had retied some of the bottom. It took about a month. I don't know how I feel about it. I wanted it so bad, but it's like when I got it, it's a whole different story. I don't know. Probably in my feelings. I don't know. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you can get updated when I post a new video.